Piolo Jose Nanato Pascual, born January 12, 1977, is a Filipino actor, model, singer, television host, comedian, and film producer. He is this generation's male superstar, and after 25 years, Piolo Pascual is still not content as he reaches for global domination. The industry recognized his gift. Around the same time, he swept all the Best Supporting Actor trophies, from Gawad-Urian to FAMAS to Metro Manila Film Festival, plus 5 more. Several TV shows, movies, and albums later, the talented actor and singer continues to rake in the accolades. He was also awarded the awards for Best Lead Actor in a Musical and Entertainer of the Year. Pascual began a career in 1993 after landing a bit role in the film The Viscon Massacre Story, and made his first television appearance in youth-oriented talent and variety show, That's Entertainment. He rose to fame after he was chosen as the leading man of Judy and Santos in the 1997 classic soap opera, Esperanza. They went on to star in several other television series and films. In 2002, Pascual starred in the film Dakota 70 alongside Vilma Santos and Christopher D. Leon, which earned him a Best Supporting Actor wins at the 2003 PMPC Star Awards for Movies, FAMAS Awards, and Gawad-Urian Awards. Pascual has a son, Ejigo Pascual, born on September 14, 1997. Pascual is also the uncle of Filipino actor Benjamin Alves. Piolo Pascual reveals he has many of the one that got away. Piolo Pascual revealed that there were several women who were under his the one that got away list. In the recent vlog of celebrity Dr. Vicky Bello with her husband Hayden Co., Piolo shared the current thing that is keeping him busy right now. He is very hands-on in building his Earth Village in his private resort in Batangas. In the vlog, Vicky asked there is an Eve in his life now that he is like the modern Adam in his Earth Village. The actor indirectly answered the question with, "I just really was married to my work." However, he said that there was a point in his life that he was thinking about getting married. When Vicky Bello asked if he has the one that got away, Piolo Pascual answered, "Many." There was a previous confirmation from Pops Fernandez that she and the actor had a short-lived relationship. However, it was not clear when this happened. Pops Fernandez confirms past relationships with Aga Mulek and Piolo Pascual. Speculations that Pops Fernandez had relationships with Aga Mulek and Piolo Pascual have been circulating for years, and the singer finally confirmed that the two are indeed her exes. Aside from Pops, Rica Peraleo also admitted that she had a no-label relationship with Piolo. "We didn't put a label. It was very obvious that we liked each other. We loved each other. But we were like more friends really, that we just like to be together a lot. And then we talked about the possibilities," she said. Carmina Villarreal almost entered a relationship with Piolo Pascual. During an interview for her new show, Carmina revealed that she and Piolo Pascual almost became a couple. She shared that they had a couple of dates during their Esperanza days, including a double date with her friend and Piolo's older brother, who ended up together. Piolo Pascual also had a relationship with a non-showbiz girl, who was the mother of his son Ejigo Pascual. In February 2011, Piolo and KC confirmed their relationship to the public. Their announcement was met with excitement and overwhelming support from fans, who admired their chemistry and compatibility. They shared sweet moments during interviews, attended events together, and celebrated milestones, solidifying their status as a power couple. In November 2011, after less than a year of officially dating, KC shocked the public by announcing their breakup during an emotional interview on the talk show The Buzz. Fighting back tears, KC revealed the pain she experienced in their relationship, describing it as emotionally draining. Piolo Pascual addresses continuing romance with Shayna Magdial. Despite not officially confirming their relationship, Piolo Pascual addressed the possibility of rekindling his romance with Shayna Magdial, now that they are set to work on a new series together. Piolo Pascual gives a tour of his Hilltop rest house in Batangas. Take a peek inside the actor's relaxing home away from home. After hustling hard in every project and gracing numerous events with a crowd, this is where Piolo Pascual finds calm. His Hilltop rest house in Batangas that offers a breathtaking view of nearby islands and has lots of love and plants. Piolo Pascual's Hilltop mansion tour is finally here. In Dr. Vicky Bello's recent vlog, she and husband Hayden visited the actor for a catch-up in his Batangas rest house. It's where Piolo's friends and family usually stay whenever they're in the province. The house here is beautiful. It's like heaven, Dr. Bello said as soon as they arrived. It's like we're in Mykonos. The first part of the house that Piolo showed was his indoor gym where he does boxing and kickboxing. Next, he led the couple to an outdoor reception area. He said that he plans to put a big cross there and eventually give it to the Batangas community. Since his property is in the middle of a mountain, the cross will serve as a landmark. Take a look at this relaxing view. Piolo said that from the house, you can see Sombrero Island and a bit of Oriental Mindoro. We also got to see some cool home decor like these chairs from Banao, which he got from his trips to Sagada. But what caught our attention the most was Piolo's plant collection. They're all over his house. This one is called a Badyang plant. He shared that in Manila, these are expensive, but here in Batangas, only in the wild. Spot the hanging plants in the Lanai area and the heartleaf philodendron. There are several colorful ones on the view deck, too. Dr. Vicky Bello even told her viewers, "You have to feel the energy here. It's so positive." Imagine hanging out in this kind of living room. His house is facing the beach and in front is his 25-meter swimming pool. Generally, his mansion holds not so many details when it comes to design, but it looks clean, elegant, and huge from outside to the inside. It has a wide and open living room facing the pool and the sea, and his house is equipped with all the amenities they need. Most of the pieces of furniture he bought for it are made of solid wood, which made it look so cozy. And the vibe it gives off plays in between modern and island living. The dominant shades in his home are blue and white. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.